A new coming cat has joined our group. Let's go to see the other cats' reactions towards it.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm all man back, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that
You, did you hide in here? Okay, okay. What about you? Okay. You hide in here? But he's not so scary. But he's not so scary. He's nice. He's nice. Look. See? He's really nice. He's very nice. Scared, don't scare. Don't be scared from him. Yes, he wants to come out. 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 Okay, you want to come out? Alright, alright. Just a moment, please. Yeah. All of them run away. All of them run away. Yeah, look at them. Look at them. They're so scared. So laughable. So laughable. Just because of him only. Little darling. Especially her. She's scared and scaring everyone. Don't be scared. He's nice, he's nice. Don't be scared, don't be scared. Come, come, come. Come here, come here. Come here. Tiger. Come here. Come here, Tiger. Come here. Come here. Let's get friends together. Yay. Let's get friends together. Like you, yourselves, are friends, are good friends with each other. So let's get friends with him. Don't scare, don't scare. Don't scare, don't scare. See how friends are you? So let's get friends with him. Let's get friends with him too. Let's get friends with him too. All right, all right. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. Let's get friends with him. He's a little nice boy. He's trying to come out of the cage. Yes. Yes, he's trying to come out of the cage. Okay, so if he comes out, you have to get friends with him, okay? Especially you, Chocolate. Did you understand? Yeah, yes, yes. Get friends with him, everyone. Yeah, get friends with him. Don't scare, don't scare. All right, look at those little. Don't scare, don't scare.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words